Hi, it's been a while. Thought I would hop on and see if we can make some trades tonight. Uh I have two PA accounts with Apex working on that third one. Actually working on two more. And so over all in all, going pretty well. And they are well. One is in a little bit of drawdown, but the other one is in profit. So um, going okay there. So just have to keep plugging away at it, and I haven't felt good the past couple days, so I just haven't really been making good decisions. So you know, we do have non-farm payroll in the morning, so that will affect some things as well, I'm sure. And just have to go from there. So, but all in all, pretty good. Um, I do have two Top Step 100K um, combine. Well, they call them combines. I'm working on there as well. But anyway, I created this new layout tonight here on Quant Tower, and I think this is what I'm gonna roll with because I ended up creating a bind for it. So it's kind of something you can set up there on Quant Tower, and I'm kind of liking it so far. So we have the ES up here daily, 4 hour, uh, 1 hour and 30 minute, and then I have MNQ daily, 4 hour and 1 hour here, and then here I've got the Dom here in this corner. So we'll have to just see how that works out and roll with that. But yeah, so I created the spine so that will stay that way until I decide to change it. Hope everybody's been doing okay. I know it's been a while since I've done a stream, so hope everyone is doing well. And I don't know if we'll get a trade in tonight or not, but we'll see. We are coming. Well, we've actually kind of gone. I don't know if this will be. Yeah, a little bit of a two down, maybe almost even. Let me pull up my trading view and I can tell you. Probably be a little easier to see on there. But just kind of chopping sideways. I mean, we had a large move to digest. Today was really wild, and for sure kicking myself that I didn't capitalize on all of that move. But such is life. Um, yeah, so you can probably see it a little bit better here. Look at the daily. I don't know why I have two 4 hours here, but is what it is. Okay, so this is in Q and just back inside so far. Here we'll look at ES. Yeah, two down on the day here on ES, but coming back inside and especially 4 hour or come up here and touch this liquidity here at 50. In fact, I thought we did hit 54, but it looks like we just hit 50, 57.50 there on ES. I don't know if I'm guessing there's a way. I actually kind of like that, like really dark blue. So I don't know if there's a way to make it that way or not on back top color, back bottom color. I don't know. I'll have to play around with Quant Tower this weekend and see if I can change. Um, see if I can kind of change it to like you know. Oh yeah. Oh cool. Oh, I like that. Great. I actually really like the dark blue better. I don't know about you guys, but I really like that dark blue. That's kind of a grayish. Ugh, I like that. Ugh, no. Purple's definitely not bad. I don't know where all those lines came from though. I don't like that at all. Ugh. Yeah, I like the smoky blue. I don't know why it's got lines in it though. Like, see how that's square? I don't know. That's really strange. I think I like this smoky bluish color though. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. All right, cool. I guess I'll have to do it for each one. Settings. Yeah, good to know. Good to know you can change it. Um, I don't know. I just feel like I can see it a little bit better. Probably have to recreate this bind, which that's fine. It's not that hard to do. I don't know how well you guys can see this on stream, but that's what I'm doing. Changing this to the dark blue, and I really like it. Okay, so now I'll come up here and I'll hit bind. Save as templates. Replace existing. Okay, so hopefully that'll save now like that. Yeah, I really like that smoky. I don't know. It's like it's a gradient. Trading View has that gradient too, but I don't know. I just feel like I can really see it better. So that's what we're going with. So yeah, I don't really see any trades to make right now. I mean, we haven't technically gone too up here on. We got close, but we're in this mother bar here from 57.70 down to 57.36 here on ES. So until we get out of that, as you know, Rob would say, who created the strat, how are we going to get out of this? So you're just going to get chopped up in here. If you try to trade that, I mean, you could create a mini broadening formation here. especially on the hour. But yeah, we're just, on the hour chart, we're just stuck here in this mother bar range. So until we get out of that, you're just, you're gonna get chopped up. Um, Same here, kind of with NQ as well. Until you get out of this, you're stuck and you're gonna get chopped. So really no. I mean, if you go down to a smaller time frame, sure you can scalp that. But I just don't really do well with that. What's the old saying? Got to get in where you fit in. So I do much better with larger time frames. So um, if you want to take a stab at it, obviously you're welcome to do whatever you choose. But I don't. I made some trades earlier, so I was fine with those. But as of this moment, I don't really see a whole lot happening. Like I said, just kind of chopping around here. Log into Top Step X. I did have a problem earlier. I'm not sure they're gonna get back. Well, they got back to me on one instance, but something happened. I traded one account and made $1,400 in it today, and then all of a sudden it just like disappeared. It's gone from the platform. Well, it's on my dashboard, but as far as like being able to trade it on Top Step X, like is gone. So I don't know. I don't know what happened to it. But I got double billed on something, so they're refunding me on that. So yeah. All right. So let's just make this. Oh no, I don't like that. I don't like their dark blue. Okay. Um, I know they got one in here because I've seen it. All right, well there we go. We took off on ES 57, almost 57.51. There. So yeah, so I don't know. I don't know what happened. They'll get back to I mean, I'm sure it'll get straightened out. But I was like, I went to trade it tonight, and I'm like, what the heck happened to my account? Like, where is it? It's gone. So all right, I'm gonna take a stab there on a long on this one. Um, I'm in 375 profit in here tonight, so won't give it too much wiggle room here. Uh, we do have non-farm payroll in the morning, so please keep that in mind. Yeah, so I don't know where that other I don't know where that other account is. I mean, like I said, I'm sure it'll get straightened out, but it was just like, what the heck happened to my account? Like it's just gone. It's on the website, it's on the dashboard, but it's not showing on Top Step X. It's definitely not blown. So I don't know. I don't know what happened to it. Like, I'm sure it'll get straightened out. But I mean, you guys know I'm very much loyal to Apex, and they uh, they have some exciting things on the horizon, and I'm happy for them. I'm excited for them. Um, so it's you got to evolve and change, and but yeah, they definitely have some exciting things on the horizon, and I think it'll really bring a ton of people back to Apex. The people who decided they didn't like all the rules and every whoa now oh nice okay well all right well we will put a stop on. I kind of didn't expect it to travel that far north at once. I figured a little bit of volume would start coming in, but well, that was a nice little push. Um, so yeah, so I do expect some people to definitely come back to Apex that felt like they didn't like all of their rules, so to speak. So there's that. I really want to go long in my Apex account. In fact, I think I will. So let's just get in there. I don't know if that did that go or no. No, wrong account. Okay. Um. Yeah. So I expect that a lot of people are gonna come back to Apex that decided they weren't happy with things. So we'll see. But that's what I. Nope, we just got taken out there by that stop. Um, so 8750. Uh, yeah. So I expect a lot of people are gonna come back once they figure out that Apex is made some extremely positive changes. I'm gonna place a sell order here on this ES trade at 57.56. So about another 4 points. Hopefully we can get that. The only issue is on the daily here. If you go all the way back to the 7th of October, that was the liquidity of that daily candle. This bottom here at 50, 57, 52 and 3/4, let's say. So we definitely need to push through that um in order to keep traveling north. Maybe we'll get another little push right here. I mean, I would love for it to come up here and take out my stop or my sell order here. I'm gonna lower it just a tad. It's hard for me to tell exactly what level that is. So I'm gonna lower it to 57.56 1/4. So it would still be about another 4 points up from here. But I'm okay with that if it goes. In fact, I may lower it just a tad bit more. Let's not get greedy. So 57.55 1/4. If volume starts coming in, and I think they're going to come for list liquidity here at 59, I can certainly move my take profit order up. But that's what we're targeting here on this 4 hour candle. May just take a little bit to get there, but it's okay. Definitely got I mean, I added what 87.50 there on that push. Um, there on ES, but I am still trading NQ, but I've primarily gone to MNQ just because it doesn't give me a heart attack, and and then ES. But I mean, I started with ES, and I really I've gone back to it, and seems like I've traded a lot better since I've done that. Um, so yeah, so that's pretty much everything that's going on. I do not know what Apex's new sale will be for November. No clue. We could see if they updated their website. Window, because they had 1 day to pass, $85 lifetime fee, $35 reset. Let's just see what their by the way, I love their new logo. So do they have a sale? It hasn't hit the website yet. So I don't know what their sale for November will be. The one for October just ended at midnight, so we'll have to see what they have in store for November. But um, they're listen. I mean, you know, I'm not gonna talk about it early, but they definitely have some things on the horizon that is exciting. I think so. Apex changed the game as far as I'm concerned with these funding evaluation companies because I mean they're not really none of them are actual prop firms. I mean they're just not. They're you know nobody that trades with an actual prop firm is they I mean they have access to large amounts of capital and they're sitting in New York. So um SMB, um you know I think there's another firm out there, but most of those entries are they're not really that accessible to everyday people. So anyway, I say that to say this. You know, this is similar. So it's just most people call them prop firms because that's kind of what they are. But at the same time, they're until you can get moved to a live account, then you're under restrictions and things. But actual prop firms would have you under restrictions as well. So there's that. But anyway, so I don't know what Apex's sale for November will be. So just wait. Don't buy anything just yet. I mean my coupon code is always available to use, but just hold off till we find out what the sale's going to be for November. But yeah, there's definitely some exciting things in the works. And but yeah, one of my very good friends got funded with Top Step, and then they moved him to a live account because he did so well. So I'm extremely happy for him, and hoping I can do the same soon. Um, and I think it'd be cool to have live with Apex and one with Top Step as well. But yeah, I mean, I think there's some advantages to both. It's just I'm very loyal to Apex for lots of reasons, and I think the CEO is an absolute fabulous guy, and they I think they always try to put their customer first, and obviously that they have to do some things to be able to keep their business as well, but I think they really listen to their traders and they do what they can for their traders. So yeah, so for that reason, I'm very loyal to Apex, but I like some things about Top Step as well. I love that end of day drawdown, and I know there's pros and cons to end of day versus trailing, but I I like both. Um, I think again, I can see both sides of it. I think there's pros and cons to both. So we'll see what all comes when regulation happens to these prop firms, because it is coming. I mean, everything is in the works now. So we'll see what everybody has in store. Um, but yeah, they all of them, if they're going to survive, they have to move, a certain amount of people to live accounts. And I mean, I get it. Oh, they CME wants, basically, they want the data fee. They want the fees from the data. I mean, they're providing the data now. I'm sure they get a percentage, and a cut from every account, but um, you know, they want more. And I mean, hey, I mean, they're providing the data, so I get it. Everybody's got to make money, right? So that's just kind of where everything is from my understanding. And so yeah, so we'll see what Apex has in store. But once they put the November sale out, we'll figure it out. And you guys can always use my coupon code. It's Blues Trades. That'll get you the best discount. But yeah, let's just don't buy anything on the 1st of November. Let's just wait and see what they have. Actually, they may release it later. You know, um, this afternoon, but we'll see what they do, what they put on sale. I'm kind of curious to find out what it's going to be as well. They might go back to 71%. I don't know. um, I would love it if they would extend the $85 lifetime fee, though. I almost think that they should just keep that sale, the $85 lifetime fee, to start the account. And you know, it it makes it a great um, entry, basically. I think, because if you got, let's just say $35 in your valuation, $85 into your PA to get activated, you're in for a little over $100. And there's only one other company out there that beats that. Um, but and that's my funded futures. I think you can do 75 all in with them. So yeah, I don't know. I if it were up to me, if I were running Apex's sales, I'd tell them to keep the $85 lifetime fee. But I don't know. I'm not in charge of it, so we'll see what they do. Anyway, waiting on the 1 a.m. candle. Um, Usually get some movement off of that, and we'll see what happens there. But probably just gonna hop off stream until then. So hope everybody trades well, and catch you guys Sunday at Open. All right, have a good night. Oh yeah, we really went. We really went. um, yeah, nice. All right. Well, hasn't take out my take profit yet, but we're getting kind of close. I'll take another $50. Because this is a PA account, so the other one was eval. But yeah, I'll take another $50. All right, guys. Have a good night. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you.